BSC was founded in 1999. Over the years, obviously, the company's grown quite substantially, quite a large range of products, which we supply a large quantity of the NRL teams and AFL teams around the country. We always try to be very innovative in all the different products that we do, so we always rely on our science. The culture at BSC is really good. We always try and work on the culture here. We like to give people ownership of certain job roles and certain things. You've got to let people grow. If you don't give them the opportunity to grow and make decisions, then your company doesn't grow either. We want to help the guys in the warehouse, so educate them a little bit, which helps with all the procedures that they do, and it helps their day-to-day, which is controls and checks and safety and different things like that, working with each other. Obviously, we want our production and all our processes in the warehouse to be efficient and everyone work well together and everything else. We were contacted by Strategics and we just liked what they put across. Obviously, they came up with a pretty good package for us, and we didn't hesitate to put the staff straight into training. From them learning something is going to benefit the business.
There's funding available for companies to train their staff, and the initial meetings we have with these companies are about understanding their needs and finding a solution that will benefit their business. One of the key factors that we do emphasise is the flexibility we offer in training. All the training is done on site, which reduces the downtime for your business. It's affordable, flexible, and the staff can gain a nationally recognised qualification, which can make a really positive impact on the business. We make things super easy.
This is our grand final room. Teams that we sponsored that have won premierships and won the grand finals. Roosters, Manly, 3 Geelong premiership jerseys, 2007, 2009 and 2011. Queensland Reds, Roosters premiership. That was the first team that we sponsored to win a grand final. We also had our logo on the shorts. We were the first sponsor to ever be put on shorts on an NRL team. Here we've got our lockers, so a lot of these are ambassadors. Of course, Andrew Bogart, the basketball player. Kenny Wallace, Olympic gold and bronze medalist, been to the last few Olympics, relies on all our body science products. Melanie Schlanger, world record holder for women's relay. Sammy Burgess, a lot of people know. Craig Alexander, the Hawaiian Ironman champion. Jamie Wingcup's race suit from Red Bull Holden Australia. Compression one-piece outfit for the bobsleigh team. Andrew Bogart signed size 18.5 shoe. A lot of different signed footballs, AFL, of course we sponsor the Titans. We're one of the largest sponsors in the NRL. Over here we have a surfboard that was ridden by Kelly Slater. When you go into the boardroom, we have a lot of other different types of memorabilia in here. We have what we call the Australian Wall, a jersey from the World Cup, from the Olympics, that's London 2012. Duncan Free and Drew Ginn, they were the gold medalists at Beijing 2008. Four Nations final between Australia and New Zealand. London Olympics jersey there. Another Wallabies jersey signed by Hugh McMenamin. Memorabilia still from the Roosters. That's the original pair of shorts. An old Queensland Reds one there. Penrith Panthers. Some more Roosters memorabilia. Jersey signed by Sammy Burgess. Peterson Rosa surfboard that hangs from the roof there. And then we've got Kai Hurst in this other room actually. Kai Hurst was with us for a lot of years, the Ironman. So we slowly keep collecting bits and pieces. Pretty glad that I can share some of the pretty cool stuff that we have here at Body Science.